Hi there, today we got Vodafone Kicka 5. It's been long that I never put any video. It's Kicka 5 and it's not charging. First remove the battery. Then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws. After opening the screws, we're going to dismantle it. But first I show you that it's not charging. I suspect that it's the, as you can see, it's the charging port, because sorry about all the shaking and stuff. It's shaking in there, so it's not fitting properly. So we removed all the screws. Now we're going to open it. You can use a plastic tool, or I use normally nails, but I did cut my nails recently, so I'm going to open it. There are a few locks. I'm just gonna pull it up. Here it is LCD connector, so be careful if you're opening from this side. You mustn't push it in too much. And go all around. If it gets stuck, that's the reason. There is the buttons flexi, so be careful about it also. And it fell down. We'll pick it up. There are two cameras, front, back, touch LCD, and your volume keys flexi. Open it all. I'm just gonna pause it to remove everything. So once you have removed everything, front camera comes out, back camera, it's a bit sticky, so be careful with it, don't break the flexi. Now the ringer, it's also a bit sticky. Then vibrator. Once everything is out, you must just see that if it is, there is one lock here, and it came out easily. This charging pin. This is your speaker connectors. So we're going to use hot air station to remove these two, so we can remove the charging pin easily. I see it. It's, you can see there, it's a bit skew, so we need to remove this to change it. First apply some paste or flux. Temperature about 280 to 300. Just cover your headphone jack with something. First we're going to remove this, sorry about that, today my table is not right. First we're going to remove your this earpiece connection. One is out. Second one is out. Now you can concentrate on your charging pin. It's out. Don't put excessive heat. 280 to 300 is okay. And I see 1, 2, 3, 4. One leg is going out, so we have to make this track. Let me just quickly check it. Okay, so this is the positive track. First we're going to put the charging pin and see if it can work with it. If it doesn't work, then we'll rebuild the track with the wire. But I'm going to resolder this, clean it nicely, and I'm going to put this charging pin with soldering iron, not with hot air station. So I'm just cleaning all this with the solder so it can have the smooth base for us to work. It's nice and clean now, if you can see it. So I'm going to put the charging pin, as I told you, with soldering iron, not with my way of doing is a bit different way people do it, because it all depends where I'm sitting and working. 2 points are going in there. If I have a nice table, then I know that okay, I can do everything to the book, but this table is too much shaking. Slight adjustment I would have to do. Just gonna pause it. As you can see now, it's fitting almost, and I'm going to make the base strong, the legs, so it doesn't break easily, it doesn't shake. Once we're done with this, then we're going to move to the legs. I see it's nice and strong now. If you can see now the tracks, I don't think so that you will be able to see. Let me zoom a bit more. Yeah, now you can see it. Sorry about the shaking. I'll try in next video that I must mount my phone nicely. First we will try, as I said, that without putting a wire. If it doesn't work out, then we'll bridge it to diode. Just make sure they don't join, but now I'm putting the solder, so if they are joined, I'm just going to clean it. Nicely. One, two, three, four. The positive track is the one that which is gone, but it has a little bit of left over, so let's hope it works. If it doesn't, then we're going to bridge. Let me just quickly clean it. So now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of them, they are connected properly. And we're going to check it with the meter quickly, that if it is passing the current onto the battery connector. Charger, if it is passing the current or voltage, then we are done with the job. If not, then we're going to bridge the last leg. There is a voltage meter. Charger is on. So you can see the voltage are passing. That's mean our job is successful. We don't need to bridge it. But in case if you need to bridge it, I'll show you where to bridge the positive track. So in case if your positive track is damaged, then I'll show you. If you flip it, this is your positive track, you can check it, it's working also. Negative, you can give any ground, and there's your positive track going towards diode. So you can bridge this to your positive leg of the charging pin in case your positive track is damaged. Alright, so this is how we change the charging pin. Now I'm going to put back those speaker connectors quickly. This also I'm going to do with soldering iron. I'm not going to use a hot air station because it will melt the charging pin. So I'm just going to put some extra solder here. And pick one pin. This is just to show you what I'm doing. Otherwise, I know pretty much you can do it also. But I'm not using soldering hot air station, that's why I'm showing you this. So just a little bit of heat so it can stick to it, then you can press it and properly solder it. That's why I put some extra solder so it can hold it. I'm going to repeat the process to the other one also. You can see that it's connected. You can see both of them, they are connected. Now we're going to close the phone and do the final testing on it. Just put back these two cameras, everything together onto its place, and then we do this final testing. You can see everything is back. Now we can put the back cover. Battery. Going to put the screws all around. Customer was waiting while I was repairing. So there is a SIM card, there is a battery. We close it. Now we're going to put the charging cable to see if it is charging. The phone display or touch is in very bad condition. Sorry about the pause. Cover wasn't closing properly. Still giving some problem, but just hold on a second again. I had to make a slight adjustment in the cover. So let's see if it is charging now. As you can see, it is charging. Sorry about that, all the delay. The charging cable wasn't connected properly. I've been thinking that it was the cover, but it was the charging cable wasn't connected properly. This is how you change a charging pin on Vodafone Kicka 5. And if there is positive track missing, you can just look through there. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel. I do appreciate your support. I need subscriptions and watch time. Thanks a lot. Until next time, goodbye.